What is the easiest way to transfer pictures from my phone to my smart TV?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to look at the easiest ways to transfer pictures from your phone to your smart TV. You might want to do this to share your memories with family or friends on a bigger screen. Don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy to do this.
What do you need?
First off, you'll need a smartphone and a smart TV. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial as the method we are going to discuss primarily relies on Wi-Fi connectivity.
Using built-in screen mirroring feature.
The easiest way to display your photos on your smart TV is by using the built-in screen mirroring feature present in most smart devices. 1. On your phone, slide down the Quick Settings menu from the top of your screen. 2. Look for an option called Screen Mirroring or Smart View. Tap on it. 3. A list of available devices will appear. Select your smart TV from this list. 4. You can now open your Photos app on your phone and they will be displayed on your TV. Keep in mind, the exact process may vary a little depending on the type of phone and TV you have.
Using dedicated apps.
If your devices do not support screen mirroring or you prefer another way, there are several apps available that you can use. Google Photos, AirPlay for Apple devices, or dedicated apps from your TV's manufacturer, such as Samsung Smart View or LG TV Plus, can be used to share content directly from your phone to your TV. Simply download the chosen app on both your phone and your TV, make sure they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi network, follow the app's instructions to connect the two devices, then select the photos you want to display. That's it, folks! As you've seen, transferring photos from your phone to your smart TV is quite simple. Whether you're using built-in features or a dedicated app, you can enjoy your favorite pictures on the big screen in no time. We hope this video was helpful. Enjoy your photo viewing.